Hello, good morning girls. And today we discuss about the objectives of disinvestment. आज हम disinvestments के objectives को discuss करेंगे. The new economic policy initiated in July 1991 clearly indicated that PSUs had shown a very negative rate of return on capital employed. Inefficient PSUs had become and were continuing to be a drag on government's resources, turning to the more of liberal liabilities to the governments than being assets. Many undertakings traditionally established as a pillars of growth had become a burden on the economy. The national gross domestic product (GDP) and gross national savings were also getting adversely affected by low returns from PSUs. About 10 to 15% of the total gross domestic savings were getting reduced on account of low saving from PSUs. In relation to the capital employed, the levels of profits were too low. Of the various factors responsible for low profits in the PSUs, the following were identified as particularly important. Number 1, price policy of public sector undertakings. Number 2, under-utilization of capacity. Number 3, problems related to planning and construction of projects. Number 4, problems of labor, personnel and management. And fifth is lack of autonomy. Hence, the need for the government to get rid of these units and to concentrate on core activities was identified. The government also took a view that it should move out of non-core businesses, especially the ones where the private sector had now entered in significant way. Finally, disinvestment was also seen by government to raise funds for meeting general specific needs. In this direction, the government adopted the disinvestment policy, and this was identified as an active tool to reduce the burden of financing the PSUs. The following main objectives of disinvestment were outlined. Number 1, to reduce the financial burden on the government. Second, to improve public finances. Third, to introduce the competition and market discipline. And fourth objective, to fund growth. And fifth, to encourage wider share of ownership. And next is the to depoliticize non-essential services. Okay, girls.